Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Roslyn from JMom Creations. Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to share with you tricks and tips of how I get our home so inviting and exciting. The best part of what I'm going to do, majority of that do not require any money. It's something that you all can do, and I get anyone that entered my home so excited and seeing how things look. Number one thing that anyone should do is move the furniture around. For instance, I have this round table that used to be right here next to my couch. I moved it and I brought it at the entryway, and that alone make things look more open, and it's cute and it is lovely, and I enjoyed the round table right here at the entryway. And then I have this table that used to be in the back patio. Usually, when I'm having parties, this is the table. I have two of them that I thrifted way back for $20, and I have it I had it in the back patio where whenever I'm having parties, this is the table that I connect together. I have two of them, and I use them for the food because they are long and narrow, so they don't take a lot of space. So I bought the shorter one right here in between the two chairs. Look how beautiful it already opened up the sitting room. I absolutely love it. To dress the table up, I had found a set of this brass lamp. When I found them, I did actually needed them, but because they were such a steal, I knew I would need them later, and they were $10 each. On a half day sale, I ended up paying $10 for both. So I put both of them here. I think they look so beautiful. It brings the gold really bring things up, and I love the color of the wood table. I think it matches nicely with the table, that the coffee table. I think it's a great addition. I think it makes the room looks open. And over there on top of this little table, this lamp used to be in the entryway. I switched things over. I move it over here, and I brought the other one on my desk, which I will show you later. I have not changed anything on the couch, but by looking back and looking at the room, it actually makes the room look so welcoming, so beautiful. Anyone who enters the house right now that's been in the house, like if they come back, actually they're gonna stop and say, which they always do, what have you changed? Because it is so welcoming and so inviting every time if you have the strength to move things around. I think it's a great thing to do. It does not require any money, it does not require anything, but it makes such a great difference in your home. You get to enjoy things again, and every time you move things from one room to the next, it makes things look brand new, if that makes sense. Again, this art was given to me. I did not want it at the time. I didn't actually needed it, but because it was free, I knew I could do something with it, and I love the colors that is on in the art. And it is a chinoiserie art, and it's made out of wood. All the design, all the details that the art has, it is so beautiful. I don't know how expensive it is, but it is very heavy. I love the backdrop that it has with the black. It makes things pop. So even though I did not needed the art because it was free, and I'm testing it on top of my fireplace, and I think it is absolutely a gorgeous piece. If I did not get it, I would have regretted it. I love how it looks. I just place it on top of the actually art that I had. Actually, you can see the other art in the back of it. Just take a look back. It looks so beautiful. But what I want to do in the future, Actually, I'm ordering some wallpaper. I want to wallpaper the mirror that I have in the background so that way I could just make everything look a little cozier in the future. That might be for the fall season when I started having my fall home tour. So look for this video. So I'm going to wallpaper. I think it will make things look a lot nicer, a lot cozier. So that's what I have planned to do in the future, and I think the room turns out so beautiful without changing anything or buying any expensive item just to make an impact. Now let's move on to my office space. If you have been with me, you have seen my videos, previous videos of my office. The desk, which is twisted, used to be under the window. Now what I did, I flip it around, I switch it, and I place it like this, and I think it looks so pretty. Now when I sit on my chair, which also twisted, I can see the outside. I can open the blinds and see the outside, and I can see my garden, although it's not completely finished. But I can see the trees, I can see outside, which is the most important thing. And then, if I look from this side, I can see the TV. If anyone is watching TV or movie, I can be part of the movie even though I am not in the family room with them by having the desk the way I set it. I think I can watch TV and then part of the TV room, and then I can watch outside, see outside. And when you come in, it makes it so open. What I need to do right now, I have some of my other rugs that I have in the storage, is to change the rug that I have right now on the floor under my desk. I think if I bring another rug inside the room, I think it will make it look a lot nicer. But this is for another video. So right now, I think I love the way it looks. It is absolutely welcoming. And just that alone, I left everything that is on my desk just the way they were. I just bought the other lamp. This is the other set of lamp from the lamp that was in the entryway. Now I bought this one right here on my desk, and I think it looks so beautiful just to make it, kind of like both set together, although they are not together, but they are actually in the same room. So I think it is so beautiful and so lovely. So let's move on into the foyer part. Right here in the foyer, in the round table. Look how beautiful it looks right here, y'all. I always wanted a round table at my entryway, but the place is tight because of the bench that I have. But anyway, I feel like it still look nice right here at the entryway, and I love it. On it, I just place random little items. I bought the phone right here. It looks so cozy where it seems like you can just sit right there on the bench and taking a phone call, although it's not connecting. It's not connected, but anyway, it's just the visual appealing. So I think it looks so beautiful. I love it. It is cozy. I put this candle, and this candle smells so good. It is something that I bought at Walmart. It's one of the cheap candles, but it elevated by placing it inside this little canister. It just looks so beautiful. The canister I thrifted for like a dollar or two, and then placing the candle inside of it make it look something so expensive, and no one can know that it is a cheap candle, but because it smells good, hey, you could, it's another way you can disguise your candle. If you actually have a candle that's not really visually appealing, you can buy the candle and put it in the canister that it fits, and it makes it elevated. It's really nice, and it smells so good. So yeah, I absolutely love how everything looks. So we are going to see what I did into the foyer part of the house. The house looked like it has two. It has an entryway and a foyer. So now we go into the little foyer on that thrifted table that I purchased a couple weeks ago. Let's go ahead and move on to there. Here in that credenza that I twisted, oh my gosh, I love this color of the credenza. It looks so beautiful. But on it, because I removed the two Chinese lamp that I had on that credenza, now I'm able to bring the two lamps that were in the sitting room. I brought them over here now. I think it makes it look nice and open. As you can see, I have not changed the wallpaper because I just could not make a decision of what to order. But anyway, I ordered something. Maybe you'll see it in the next video, maybe not. But anyway, I will change the wallpaper because as you can see, it's peeling off. I don't like it. I'm over it. But anyway, we're not talking about the wallpaper now. We're making changes of making the house feel welcoming by not doing anything, just moving things and switching things around. Oh my gosh, everything looks so beautiful. Actually, my sister-in-law came over the weekend and she was like, as she always does, oh my gosh, I can keep up with you. What have you changed? What have you bought? And I'm like, I did not buy anything. It's the same furniture. I just moved them. So I just moved them around. And she was just like stunning. She was stood there looking. Oh, I see. Oh my gosh, it looks pretty. Exactly, y'all. Change things, move things around. I hope today's video was inspired to you to move your things around. Not every time you need to go buy things. You have all the decor that you need and all the things that you purchase you probably have not even used. Take them out, bring them out, and we decorate with them. Sometimes we buy more than we need and we put them on the side. Take a good look on your storage unit and see what you have purchased, what you have not used, and bring them out. I believe it or not, you will feel like your whole house changed. The whole room you touch, you will feel like you purchased a new furniture by moving it from one place to the next. I hope today's video was inspired to you. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, y'all, stay safe and be blessed. Bye, guys. Mwah.